Hey there. Always remember to have a backup of a backup of a backup of a backup. Okay, maybe not that deep, but 3 levels deep is probably fine. One, have your stuff, if it's on your phone, back it up to your laptop. From the laptop, back it up to somewhere in the cloud. I made the mistake. I only backed it up to the laptop. It's off the phone, and now that laptop is inaccessible. Don't know how it happened. It was working perfectly fine when I left the hotel room. So, backstory. We left the laptop playing in the background, playing music in the background. Stepped out, came back in, everything seemed copacetic, but then it started acting weird. It shut down by itself, and that's the rest of history. So yeah, make sure you have a backup, probably 3 times deep, especially if you're making content. I didn't follow that rule, and now my content is hanging in the balance. I need to find a way to recover it so I can get the videos and stuff like that out to you guys, and just to keep my channel going. So keep me in your prayers. I'll let you know what happens. All right, catch you later. Wish me luck. But yes, hey, if you have any secrets as to how to get a MacBook Air 2019 that stopped working, well, stopped turning on, let me know. I'll pass that information on. So far, they've tried everything from cleaning it to disconnecting the battery to they're about to remove the USB-C board and go at it that route, go at it that way, just to see if that's a faulty culprit. So let me know what secrets you have up your sleeve, and I'll pass them off. They're gonna get tried. Thank you always. All right, let the secrets come. Morning, family. Afternoon or evening, wherever you are. So I'm in a bit of a bind. I need someone that can do data recovery on specifically a MacBook Air 2019 version. My logic board is fried and I need the data back. I've tried a few companies and their ask price is everything north of $1,000. So let me know if you know anyone that can help. Preferably local. I'm in the Northern Virginia area. So anyone that you know that can help, shoot them my way or send me their contact information, whichever way it goes. Thank you guys.